Need to apply for a passport or renew your old one? In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process on how to schedule a passport appointment online in the Philippines using the official website of the Department of Foreign Affairs. First, open your browser and go to the official DFA passport appointment website. Make sure you're using the official website to avoid scams or fake appointment pages. On the home page, click Schedule an Appointment. Then choose whether your application is for an individual or group appointment. Reminder: applicants are recommended to use only Google or Yahoo email accounts in securing appointment to avoid any technical incompatibilities. Before proceeding with your appointment, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Once you understand and agree, click the checkbox and continue to the next step. You can choose either an individual appointment or a group appointment, depending on your specific needs. Click Schedule an Appointment. Indicate the location where you would like to schedule an appointment, including the country, specific site, and all required details. Notice: an appointment booked at any consular office is non-transferable and cannot be rescheduled. Payments can be made during TH online appointment booking process or via the over-the-counter option through the DFA payment merchant partners. If you have an urgent travel due to emergency and employment reason, choose a pickup release of passport. You only have 30 minutes to complete the whole process. Click Confirm to continue. Some DFA consular office schedules are fully booked. Book early to secure your appointment slot. Select the date and time that is most convenient for you. Once you have decided on your schedule, tick the reCAPTCHA box, then click Next. You will be directed to the individual appointment, personal information page. Important reminder: ensure that all details, especially your name and date of birth, are correct before proceeding. These details cannot be edited on site, and you may need to set another appointment if there are errors. Click I agree. Enter your mobile number and email address. If you do not have a telephone number, you may leave that field blank. Then, confirm your email address. After that, fill out your personal details completely. Once you are done, click Next. Fill up your father's information, then your mother's information, including her maiden name. After completing all the required fields, click Next. Then proceed to the application information section, where you will select the application type, basis of Philippine citizenship, and indicate whether you are a foreign passport holder by choosing Yes or No. After that, provide your emergency contact person and contact number. Note: please bring your proof of Philippine citizenship on the date of your personal appearance. Then click Next. Enter your complete address, including your city and province. Then provide your occupation, office contact number, and office address. Click Next. Review your personal information carefully and make sure all details are correct before proceeding. Tick the reCAPTCHA box, then check the next box to confirm that you consent to the use of your personal information and that all information provided is true and correct. Choose the processing type and select your preferred payment method. You can choose e-payment via Paymaya, debit or credit card, or over-the-counter payment at authorized payment centers. You can choose any courier service if you want your passport delivered, or select pickup to claim your passport at the designated pickup location. The total passport fee is 950 pesos. Click Pay Now to confirm your payment. A payment confirmation page appears. Please read the reminders before proceed to payment. Payment reminder: passport appointments are confirmed only after successful payment. Read the payment instructions carefully before proceeding. Print the application form and bring it on your appointment day together with your valid IDs and supporting documents. Before your appointment, prepare all necessary requirements such as your valid ID, PSA birth certificate, and other supporting documents. You can check the complete list of requirements on the official DFA website. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled your passport appointment online. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy step-by-step guides.